Go ahead, Coach Manuel Marquez, and the MVP of the match, Dejan Drazic. Uh, Coach and Dejan, first of all, congratulations to both of you. Just please share your thoughts after the game, after the win.
Thank you. If you allow me, before I speak about the game, I want to say a big thank you for all the players and staff, even management, that they are not here this season and we are playing this game because of them. I think that is they deserve completely. I don't want to say the names because I will forget someone, but everyone knows more or less. There is a lot of continuity in the team, but without them, we wouldn't be here. And this is the first thing that I want to say about the game. Very difficult game. In this kind of games, in some moments you need some good luck, but I feel that we play with a lot of order. We score 2 goals, and every time that we arrived, my feeling was that was very dangerous. But it's true that they are a fantastic team. We are playing against one team who has 8 starters in the national team of Oman, that they are playing for the next World Cup still.
Dejan, your thoughts on the game?
Good evening to everybody. First of all, sorry if you, because of my English, if you don't understand something, but we can start like this. First of all, thank you for the fans to come to support this important game. And second, I think this team from Oman deserve a lot of respect. We suffered too much, I think. But finally, we showed the heart, we showed not just the quality, we showed that we have something more, and nothing. I think also like what said the coach about every time when we was close the goal, we are dangerous. And also, I want to say it's very difficult to play one match like this because it's not excuse, but what game we have in pre-season and we come in one game like this is very difficult to play 90 minutes strong, like pressure and like this. So congratulations to my teammates and staff also.
Extra questions? Yes.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Al Saib's coach recently just said that FC Goa's 12th man was the referee. What do you have to say about this?
I think it's my 6th season in India. I think that more or less you know me. If I see that the actions are for us, I will say. Even 2 players, they told me that the handball but seriously, if it's handball, is from my position is impossible. Maybe if I am in the other bench, maybe I can see the hand. And I don't know if it's inside or outside the box. If it's inside the box, it's penalty. And if it's handball, if not, no. One day the referee is for you, one day the referee is for us. But I tell you seriously, I don't think that we qualify because of the referee. We qualify because maybe they were stronger, and maybe they are angry because they lost against one team that they thought that they would beat this team.
Next question.
Yes. Coach, were there any moments when you felt that the momentum had shifted in Al Seeb's favor?
Sorry?
Was there any time you felt that maybe, they would be able to take the match?
Maybe the first 10 minutes. The first 10 minutes they started very good, very strong. They have very good combinations in the right side and in the left side with completely different styles in one side and in the other side. The number 21 is a fantastic player that they signed from Bahrain. Again, but all the credit is for our players, for our crowd, as they say, because without them, for sure that would be impossible to win this game. and the reality is that we are very very happy because we will be day after tomorrow in the draw in Kuala Lumpur, and let's see if we can play here against fantastic teams and fantastic players.
Next question.
Congratulations, coach, on your ticket to Asia. So the LCB coach had mentioned that in all respects they were the better team tonight with over 70% possession. He also claimed that Dejan Drazic's first goal was because of a goalkeeping error, and he said that by far the LCB team were better than FC Goa tonight. Would you agree to that? He seemed very aggressive as well in his demeanor while saying that.
No, I can understand because I am coach, and when you lose, usually you are angry. When theoretically your team is better and you lose, you are still more angry. And if he thinks that this is normal, he's in trouble because they already lost the Super Cup. Even they lost against under 23 national team in one friendly game. Now they lost today. I can understand. If I am in his position, maybe I would say the same. But I won't. Again, I will repeat that we didn't win because of the referee. We won because we played our game, and the players, they did very good during all the game.
Next question.
So in the last few minutes, you were like under pressure in the defense. So how did you like? What do you say about that?
No, finally it's true that the players who entered in the pitch, they helped a lot. Even that they didn't play too many minutes, but Tabora, Bryson, I think they helped a lot in the minutes that they were in the pitch. And I only can say that, and this is the reality, that we are 1 month training very hard. And I completely agree with them. We didn't have good games. It's true that we could work some things, but obviously you need to arrive with a stronger opposition to play this kind of games.
Coach, Javi scored his a goal no, in debut match. How you react on this?
Severo.
Javi scored his debut match. How you react on this?
When Severo scored his first goal for FC Goa, how do you?
Yes.
What is your reaction to score first? No. Severo scored his first goal.
Okay. I prefer don't say I am completely crazy. I didn't know that Severio who scored the goal. I was very he is telling me that
Scored the second goal.
No, I saw the first goal I saw there. But if you ask me in the second goal, yeah, it was Javi Severio, but I was very, very focused in another action. Then maybe it's my problem, but I am, maybe no, for sure it's my problem, but I think that is one thing. It's the third time that I have Javi Severio in my team. Was my player in the B team in Las Palmas. Even he played one game with the main team in Las Palmas. He was with me in Hyderabad and now he's here in Goa. I know him. Maybe he's not the nicest player to see, but I joke always with the same. No? He will score goals till the day that he passes away. He will score always goals.
Now in the AFC Champions League stage, so the teams will be different and the playing styles also will be much varied. How do you plan to prepare the team for that?
Let me celebrate this victory, this win, and we will speak about this when we know the draw.
For Dejan, how is it playing on the outfield? It was heavy, right? Heavy outfield. Rain.
Very outfield.
It was difficult. That's how it's for us is also for them. So I can say some excuse like it was difficult sliding soft the pitch, So sometimes you think like you're slow, but you're not slow. It's just you can go faster because you will go.
Yes.
we can show like speed maximum in this pitch, you know. But he's like this.
Next question, yes sir.
So the coach of Al Seeb said that the goal that you scored was because of a goalkeeping error. Would you say that, or would you think that was a smart chip by him?
I like what coach always say. We play game, and the team we will win who have less mistakes. So this is one of mistake, and we take advantage of this mistake, and we scored the goal. Also, we scored second goal. Like goalkeeper missed the ball, and Javi scored the goal. No? So he also can say this.
And how would you compare this goal that you scored tonight in front of the fans to your other ISL goals? Is this more special now that we are going to Asia?
I scored just one, so it's not big difference.
But we're going to Asia. This goal takes us to Asia, right?
And it's always nice to score in Goa. You know?
Thank you.
So.
Okay, we'll take the next question.
Coach, on the live stream, people who were watching, the comments were like that you would not make a substitution for this game. So, did that mean that you were happy with the team as you put it out on the field?
Yes, I was happy, but it's very difficult to enter in the game in that moment with the pace that they had during the game. Sometimes you can kill one of these players if you put them in the ground. No? But I think that Sahil, Tabora, and Bryson, they were very good in the minutes that they played, and was, for example, we didn't know if Siberio could finish or not the game. But you know what happened, no? In this kind of games. I had one very bad experience. I won't explain now. But what happened if we substitute Siberio and they score? We have to play 30 minutes without a striker. Then we prefer to play with the same player still. Yeah.
We'll take two more questions. Yes sir.
The second half which they played was really your team FC Goa played defense, and they missed so many chances. What exactly was the position?
Again, they are a very strong team. The normal thing is that they create chances, but I feel that we defended with a lot of order. And it's true, with a lot of players behind the ball. But I don't think there is another way to win this game, because we play against a very strong team. And again, I'm very proud, very happy, and I repeat the same that from the first day that I arrived in FC Goa. I am very, very happy to take the decision to come here.
The last question, yes sir.
On a very lighter note, you said you would be celebrating tonight. Are we allowed to know how is coach going to celebrate tonight along with the players?
Let's see, I think I am old. I think that the players, they prefer celebrate without the coach. When I was playing, I prefer the coach out. Then I think that is better that they celebrate with the friends or fiancés, girlfriends, wives, whatever.
Thank you,
Thank
coach.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck, coach.
Meciul, we controlled also all the game. Am avut posesie, cred că 70-30.
On the position of the ball, I think we have more than 70%.
Ne-a lipsit în prima repriză, din care am avut 4-5 ocazii de a șuta și a marca.
We had more than 4 chances to score from outside the box in first half.
Nu știu câte echipe poate să joace acest fotbal.
I don't know how many teams can play the same way we play today.
Să joci la exterior, afară și să domini meciul în terenul celălalt.
Like we play outside, away, and then we dominate almost the whole game.
Argoa să mulțumească portarul nostru care a greșit la 2 goluri.
Goa need to say thank you for our goalkeeper who did a mistake for the first goal.
Dar eu cred că dacă arbitrul nu muta penalti, care a fost penalti, arată la târziu și era penalti, altfel era rezultatul.
I think if the referee didn't cancel the penalty, that we already checked on the TV with the video and we saw that it's completely a penalty. If the referee didn't cancel this penalty, maybe the result will be
Să nu
different.
mai spun că le-a acordat două offside-uri mari și a închis ochii care putea să marcheze al golul 3.
Plus two offside that he didn't announce it, with more than 2 meters between our last player and and the forward player from Goa, and he didn't said anything.
Ieri am spus spectatorii o să fie al 12-lea jucător.
I already said yesterday that the fans will be the player number 12 today and they will help the team.
Dar nu, arbitrul a fost al 12-lea jucător.
But I did a mistake because the referee was the player number 12 today.
This is life în fotbal. Asta e viața în fotbal.
This is life.
Trebuie să mergem înainte.
We need to go through.
Sunt bucuros că într-o lună de zile
I'm so happy that in only 1 month
jucătorii au înțeles ideea mea de joc.
My players already understood my style and what I need from them.
Mai ne trebuie finalizarea șansei.
We need more chances in finishing.
Mulțumesc echipei adverse și baftă pe viitor.
Thank you thanks for the opening team and good luck for the next.
Thank you very much.
We'll take some questions.
Coach,
Yes.
Coach, how you see the team mistakes that not convert into goals?
Can you repeat?
How you see the team mistake that you got so many chances to a goal convert into goals?
Zis că ați avut greșeli, dar ați avut și multe ocazii de...
No, am spus, prima repriză am avut multe oportunități de a marca.
First half we had a lot of opportunity to score.
Le-am spus jucătorilor, pentru a marca trebuie să șutezi.
And I already told my players, to score we need to shoot.
Am avut 5-6 ocazii de a șuta.
We had like 4 or 6 opportunity and chances to score with shooting.
Trebuie să lucrăm la asta.
We need to work on this point.
Next question.
Cicero Silva from Hivjo. Coach, you mentioned during the pre-match conference that FC Goa will be a tough team. So did they match your expectations, or was it?
No, am urmărit Goa în mai multe meciuri
I already followed Goa on many games
anul trecut,
last year,
dar le-am spus că au jucători de valoare în față.
and I said that they have good players, especially in the third area, forward area.
Nu trebuie să intrăm cu ei în care.
And we don't have to let them go inside our box.
De asta am jucat departe,
That's why we played a little bit far
pe pressing,
with pressing
pe posesie,
and with possession,
ca să nu le dăm posibilitatea de a intra la noi
in order to not let them come in our box.
Next question, if you have any. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Were there any positives from today's match that you will carry forward?
Yes. Pentru mine, esențial, echipa a respectat ce le-am cerut.
For me, the most important thing is that my team respected all the points that I requested from them.
Dacă portarul nostru nu făcea această greșeală,
If our goalkeeper didn't do this mistake,
și arbitrul dădea penalti,
and the referee gave us the penalty,
sunt sigur că era altul rezultat.
I'm sure that the result will be completely different.
Dar să joci la exterior
But if we play away
și să ai posesie
and
peste
you have
70%,
and you have all of this possession more than 70%,
bine spune mult.
it says everything.
Next question.
Coach, do you think the introduction of VAR would have helped you? I mean, VAR would have helped you in this case?
Sure, because it's penalty. I look on TV.
So do you believe it should be introduced in the
Sure.
This is a one-off match, okay? How hard is it for you to prepare your players for this one-off match?
În fața noastră este primul meci de campionat în 19.
We still have in front of us the first league game on 19 August.
Trebuie să lucrez la mentalitatea, la moralul
We
jucătorului.
need to work more on the mental part of the players.
Așteptăm tragerea la sorți de la Kuala Lumpur să vedem cu cine vom pica.
We're gonna also wait for the draw of the Challenge League, the AFC Challenge League.
Eu sunt sigur că dacă continuăm cu acest joc,
And I'm sure if we're gonna keep the same way that we played today,
nu știu cine poate să câștige
I don't know if there is another opponent who can beat us.
Do you have any standout players in your squad who performed well today that you would like to encourage?
Sunt mulți jucători, adică toată echipa mi-a plăcut, toată echipa a dat maximum.
All the players, they gave their maximum today.
Numai schimbările care le-am făcut n-au adus nimic în plus. Asta mă deranjează.
But what makes me feel a little bit bad is that the substitution that we did, they didn't make a real difference during the game.
Poate am făcut și târziu schimbările.
Maybe because I made the substitution a little bit late.
Dar sunt în totalitate, pe ansamblu sunt mulțumit.
But in general, I'm convinced, I'm happy about the.
Încă o dată, astăzi echipa mai bună a trecut.
Again, I will say it. Today, the team who played better lost the game.
We'll take two last questions.
What is the any climate condition where for playing?
So,
Yes, climate conditions played a part.
adică asta.
Pentru noi a fost mai dificil, deoarece nu suntem învățați cu terenul mare.
For us, it was more hard than them because we are not used to this kind of climate.
De asta le-am spus jucătorilor să jucăm pe pressing și cât mai departe de poarta noastră.
That's why we requested to our player to play in pressing and to not let the other team come inside.
Last question.
What message do you have for Al Seeb's supporters given the result?
Îmi cer scuze că nu și îmi pare rău că nu am câștigat meciul.
I feel sorry for them and I feel sorry that we didn't win this game.
Era o oportunitate mare pentru club să jucăm Cupa Campionilor.
It's a very good and a big opportunity for the club to play the Champions League Two.
Știu că asta și-a dorit toată lumea și eu.
I know that everybody was waiting for this. Even me, I was expecting and waiting for this qualification.
Dar asta este, îmi pare rău, sperăm să facem un rezultat bun în campionatul, dar mă interesează în primul rând Challenge Cup.
But this is life. What happens, it happens. Now we should move forward. And what is more important for me now, the league and also the AFC Challenge Cup.
Iar obiectivul meu este de a juca finala Challenge Cup.
But my goal is to play the final of the Challenge Cup.
Okay, that's all we have time for. Thank you, coach.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, coach. Good luck for the future.